The small American Lunar Flashlight probe will unfortunately not do its job. What was the cause of this failure, and what tasks was the probe supposed to carry out? That's what we are going to look at in today's episode of our show. Lunar Flashlight was a CubeSat probe made up of 6 basic cubes. The entire probe weighed 14 kilograms and had dimensions of 10 by 20 by 30 centimeters. Its mission was to study the permanently shadowed craters in the polar regions from lunar orbit. It was supposed to shoot laser pulses into these, and by evaluating the reflected light, would determine how much water was present at the given location. Lunar Flashlight launched on December 11th last year on a Falcon 9 rocket together with Japan's Hakuto R lunar lander. Both spacecrafts flew to the moon on an atypical long trajectory that took them up to 1.5 million kilometers from Earth. The probe was then to ignite its engines and enter an elongated polar orbit around the moon, known as a near rectilinear halo orbit. Already in the first few days after launch, ground teams found that 3 of the 4 onboard thrusters generated less thrust than was necessary. Engineers tried to solve the problem, even at the cost of risking increasing the propulsion system pressure well beyond the specified limits. They expected the increased pressure would release contaminants in the propulsion system that were blocking the flow of fuel to the engines. However, this did not happen. The CubeSat missed the right moment for ignition, and also second attempt to guide it into a different orbit with less frequent visits failed. The propulsion system that failed was innovative, and was supposed to use a more environmentally friendly substance than the commonly used hydrazine. This gave its designers valuable experience for further development. The CubeSat Lunar Flashlight, however, paid for it with its failure and remained in an elongated orbit around the Earth. NASA therefore closed the mission as unsuccessful on the 12th of May. If you have any questions, feel free to post them in the comments. We will be happy to answer them. And if you'd like to help us get this video to other viewers, just let YouTube algorithms know you liked it, ideally by giving it a thumbs up.